This honors geometry lesson is on section 10.3, the surface area and volume of pyramids. The objective is that students will be able to find the volume and surface area of all pyramids. Pyramids have only one base and meet at a point at the top of the figure called a vertex. Right pyramids go straight up and down, and unlike prisms, pyramids have lateral faces that are triangles. The volume formula of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 the area of the base times the height, where the big B represents the area of the base and H represents the height of the pyramid, which is the length from the vertex perpendicular down to the base. So for this figure, if we want to find the volume, that's going to be equal to 1/3 the area of the base, which is a rectangle. So the area formula is length times width, so 8 times 8, times the height of the figure. So remember, we have two different types of heights in a pyramid. We have the height of the figure, and we have something called a slant height. So we want the height of the figure, which is going to be perpendicular to the base, which is this segment here. So we're going to multiply by 3. So if we take 1/3 of 8 times 8 times 3, the volume is going to equal 64 units cubed. To find the surface area of each pyramid, we can take the area of the base plus 1/2 times the slant height times the perimeter of the base. So again, big B represents the area of the base. L is going to represent the slant height. The slant height is the perpendicular height of the lateral face. So this here represents the height of the figure. The 5 here represents the slant height, which is going to be the perpendicular height of the lateral face. P always represents the perimeter of the entire base of the figure. So if we want to find the surface area, so surface area is going to equal area of the base. So again, this is a rectangle, so 8 times 8 plus 1/2 the slant height, so the slant height, which is 5, times the perimeter, which is going to be 8 times 4, which is 32. So surface area is going to equal 64, and then 1/2 of 5 times 32 is equal to 80. So the entire surface area of this pyramid is going to be equal to 144 units squared. So this is the end of our video lesson on pyramids. If you have any questions, feel free to watch the video for a second time. And if you still have any questions, please feel free to write those questions down and bring them to the next class.